Think of the name of someone at home. What other names do they have? This might not sound like math, but today this does. Thinking of these names, or thinking of a name of somebody at home, goes right along with our math lesson. Today, you are going to be using addition and subtraction to think of equivalent names for numbers. Are you still thinking of the name of someone at home? What other names do they have? I thought of my husband Tom. He has lots of other names. Tom, Thomas, Mr. Simon. All are names, though, for the same person. This is what we're going to talk about today, equivalent names. Numbers also can be called by different names. I want you to name as many ways as you can to get to 10 by adding two numbers. I'm going to say that again. Think. Name as many ways as you can get to 10 by adding two numbers. Maybe you thought of 1 plus 9, 8 plus 2, or 6 plus 4. Each of these addition expressions shows an equivalent name for 10. This means that it's another way to say 10, because 1 plus 9 equals 10. 8 plus 2 equals 10. 6 plus 4 equals 10. These are once again equivalent names for 10. They are different names for the number 10. They are addition problems. What about subtraction? Can you think of a subtraction problem with two numbers in it for another way to say 10? What about 12 minus 2? 12, 11, 10. 12 minus 2 equals 10. 11 minus 1 equals 10. 13 minus 3 equals 10. These are all different names or equivalent names for the number 10. They are another way to say 10 by using subtraction problems. What about using words? You can just write the word form of 10, T-E-N, 10. We are also going to talk about combinations of 10. What we just wrote out are combinations of 10. Adding two numbers together to make 10. When you're making 10, think of that as using that plus sign to make 10. You are going to hear that name though again. Combinations of 10, combinations of 10. You're going to hear that again. You're going to hear it probably a lot. Combinations of 10. Once again, adding, what we're going to talk about first are adding two numbers together to make 10. And I have written them out. 0 plus 2, 1 plus 9, 2 plus 8, 3 plus 7, 4 plus 6, 5, oh, hit that back button, 5 plus 5, there we go, 6 plus 4, 7 plus 3, 8 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10 plus 0. Do you see a pattern? Take a moment. Check out all the combinations of 10 that I just showed you on the screen. Do you see or notice a pattern? If we put them in order, all the numbers from 0 to 10 are there. They go in order. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And on this side, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. There's a pattern on both sides. You have the numbers going up on one side of the addition problem and the numbers going down on the other. Now you try. Write as many combinations of 10 as you can. See if you can put them in order. Hint, start with 0 plus 10 equals 10.